Multiple choice questions on General Science, Part 5. Question number 41. A woman desires to clean the surface of her gold ornaments by a chemical approach. For this, she requires to use answer aqua regia. Explanation. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid in the ratio of 1:3. It is a very powerful oxidizing mixture and hence used to clean the surface of gold ornaments. Coolant like heavy water or molten sodium is used to carry away the heat. Question number 42. Which one of the following is not needed in a nuclear fission reactor? Answer. Accelerator. Explanation. Substances like graphite and heavy water are used as moderator to slow down the speed of neutrons. Question number 43. Which one among the following fuel is used in gas welding? Answer. Acetylene. Explanation. Acetylene is the only commercial fuel gas that can be used for both cutting and welding applications. Question number 44. Which one of the following is responsible for converting milk into curd? Answer. Bacteria. Explanation. Curd is made due to the chemical reaction between lactic acid, bacteria and casein. Question number 45. Sweating during exercise indicates operation of which one of the following process in the human body? Answer. Homeostasis. Explanation. Homeostasis regulation includes sweating. It is the main process through which the body gets coolness. Question number 46. The plant dry henna imparts orange red color to skin and hair due to its reaction with which one of the following? Answer. Proteins and amino acids. Explanation. Henna is a flowering plant. It is used to dry skin, hair, fingernails, leather and wood. Coloring feature of henna is due to lacin, an organic compound that shows affinity for proteins and amino acids in animals. Question number 47. Which one of the following is responsible for the stimulating effect of tea? Answer. Alkaloid. Explanation. The stimulating nature of tea is due to alkaloid caffeine found in tea. Question number 48. Which among the following oils has the maximum protein content? Answer. Castor oil. Explanation. Castor oil is a vegetable oil got from castor bean. Castor oil is colorless to pale yellow liquid having very high protein content sold. Question number 49. Golden fiber refers to. Answer. Jute. Explanation. Golden fiber denotes to jute because of its color. Jute is grown as cash crop. Jute is used for green manure and has much higher carbon dioxide assimilation rate. Question number 50. Which one of the following is commonly used as a flavoring agent during the preparation of noodles? Answer. Ajinomoto. Explanation. Ajinomoto is Chinese salt used for preparing noodles. It is used as a flavoring agent. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe YouTube channel.